Okay, discussing whole step and half step. Primarily, we use this sound for the whole step. This sound is being used for the whole step, and this sound is being used for the half step. So when you see the sound, you mean whole step. When you see the sound, you mean half step. So we have whole step and half step. The biggest thing to understand is that the whole step involves three keys. The whole step involves three keys. So one of the easiest way of understanding whole step is like saying 1, 2, 3. From the first to the 10 is a whole step. In this case, we're gonna say from C to D is a whole step. And we got nothing to do with it. Now, you see this from C to D. If you come from E flat, you're gonna take whole step, you're gonna say 1, 2, 3. So from E flat to F is a whole step. So something's gonna happen. A whole step will always leave one key between. You can come from F sharp and take another whole step. You'll leave one key between them. 1, 2, 3. You come from A and take a whole step. Or let's go from B flat and take a whole step from B flat. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. You're gonna have. So the whole step will always leave a key between. Whole step will always leave a key between. Be a white or black key, the whole step is gonna leave a key between. So we can come from D to E. It's also have another whole step. So we have, that's how whole steps work. Whole steps will always leave one key between. So between C and D we have this key. Between E flat and F we have this key. Between G sharp and F sharp and G sharp we have this key. Between B and C we have this key. Between these two keys. So it can be a white key or a black key left between. The piano has 12 keys. When we say 12 keys, we are saying 5 black keys and 7 white keys. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is C, so you will count that C in and check the 5 black keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the piano has 12 keys. So the whole step will always leave one key between. That's the concept of whole step. But the half step is the nearest key. So the half step goes like this. We got from C. I'll take half step. Go to C sharp or D flat. From D, you take half step. Go to E flat. From E, take half step, go straight to F. So you will have a similar situation with B and C. So that's the half step concept. You can take half step from G sharp and go straight to A. So the half step can go both forward and backward. Like the whole step can go forward and backward. You can take whole step backward. You can come from D and go to C, that's the same whole step. You can come from F and go to E flat, that's the same whole step. E flat to F, whatever way you call it, you know, whole step, you're just going to be leaving one key between. In a half step, you're going to leave one key between. So from, you have a lot of whole step, you know, for F sharp to G, it's a half step also. So that's for whole step and half step.